a message on the ground. So today I'm going to explain to you what I see for the ground. We were here in the video, I told you 155 possible, and the total target, $130. You can rewatch the video on the channel. That's exactly what I was explaining. And then I believe we're making a bottom. Then I'll explain to you why. In fact, here on my 4.5, we reached this, I've never seen that. On the 4-year time frame, I went back, we reached 98.73. You can't see it because of my photo, but we reached 98.73. I went back through the entire history of Solana to we never reached 98.73. In terms of depth, of time depth, it's truly a spectacular fall. And we must realize that Solana has lost. We are on a green Heiken-Ashi candle. So I told you it's possible it could come back. That's exactly what we're seeing. And then we lost 55% in less than a month. That's crazy. So obviously there's going to be a rebound. We have a bullish divergence, we have a green Heiken-Ashi candle, and on a smaller time frame, we see a bottom. Then I'll show it to you. And we must also consider that Bitcoin dominance is above 100 because it's the beginning of altcoin season. Bitcoin dominance has lost 1%, which hasn't happened in over 2 months. So that's a really good sign. And then Bitcoin, it's looking to come back as well, I think. I'll make a video a little later today, and it's up 1% today. So we can see that we are on a Heiken-Ashi candle, which means there's a lot of momentum. And that could be a signpost, the bottom. We came to sweep the buy-side liquidity. All the stops that go back to October 3rd, we even went to get them. So that...
The answer is no. I need a pullback. I need to at least reach 50% of the Fibonacci retracement. So that could give the blue thread that you see from my EMA 20 indicator to go up. And here, that's where I'll put leverage. I'll put a 10x leverage, for example. And then here, a 10x leverage, that will give me a 30%, a 40% gain. You understand that we're learning? And then I'll get out because I'm going to attack these wicks here, in order to turn around. So, and then I'll wait for my pullback again. Will the pullback be here or there? I don't know yet. The words of my story are not written, okay? Here I see paragraphs. Now I need to have other words, to have other paragraphs and have chapters. Right now, I don't see it. Right now, what I see is that it's going to go up. It's going to try this wick here to go down. It's going to make a kind of double top here. So this wick, before entering, I'm not going to do it like that. The only reason I would enter, to say that it will be a win, okay? To know if it's a win, I'm going to come here. I'm going to go to volume, okay? I'll go to volume, and then it's not a win. We have 3 minutes left in the candle, and it's low volume. It's not good. It's not good to enter now, okay? And then I'll remove this. I do this to have a bigger image, but the dashboard you see, it's not my trading dashboard. The 4 indicators that aren't there right now, apart from the 2.1 that gives you 2.1, that gives you here, I put my market scope and also my volume. I need to know what the volume candle is. This candle has no volume, okay? I'll show you. If this candle has no volume, what it means is that it's going to go down, okay? Look, it's going down. So there's a pullback coming. People don't know how to use volume, but now we're reaching the top of the indicator. Because you see the top of the indicator, I'll remove this so you can see. Okay, here is the top of the indicator, okay? So the top of the indicator, we're at the top of the indicator. It's not time to enter the trade. We'll look in the